Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. From the last video, we are learning the topic coordinate geometry, and in our previous video we have seen few important formulae. Now in this video, let us solve few of the examples on the first formula, which is called distance formula. And you know the distance formula is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the examples are: find the distance between the following points. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Example number 2, minus 5u, 7, minus 1, 3. Example number 3, 2, minus 4, minus 3, 2. And that of example number 4 is minus 2, 11, 7, minus 2. Now let us take the first example and solve. The points are 2, 3, 4, 1. So let us call them x1, y1, x2, y2. Now write the formula: d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us substitute the values. D is equal to x2, the value of x2 is 4, 4 minus x1's value is 2, 4 minus 2 whole square, plus y2's value is 1, 1 minus y1's value is 3, so that is 1 minus 3 whole square. Let us simplify this. So that is equal to 4 minus 2 will be 2, 2 square, plus 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, minus 2 whole square. That is equal to square root of 2 square, you know, 4, and minus 2 square is also 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So this is equal to square root of 8. Now split 8 into 2 factors such that one should be a perfect square, and that is nothing but 4 into 2, and 4 is a perfect square. Take it outside the root sign in the form of 2. So 2 root 2 units will be the distance between these 2 points 2, 3 and 4, 1. So therefore d is equal to 2 root 2 units. This is the solution for this first example. Now coming to second example, minus 5u, 7, minus 1, 3. These are the pair of 2 points. Let us call minus 5u as x1, 7 as y1, minus 1 as x2, and that of 3 as y2. Formula: since d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us substitute the values. D is equal to square root of value of x2 is minus 1 minus value of x1 is minus 5u. So minus 1 minus of minus 5u square plus value of y2 is 3 here, 3 minus value of y1 is 7. So 3 minus 7 whole square. Now let us simplify this. Square root of minus 1 minus of minus will become plus, so minus 1 plus 5u whole square plus 3 minus 7 will be minus 4, minus 4 whole square. This is equal to, further after simplification, minus 1 plus 5 will be 4, 4 square plus minus 4 whole square as it is. In the next step, 4 square is 16, plus minus 4 square is also 16. So 16 plus 16 is square root of 32, and 32 is nothing but 16 into 2. 16 is a perfect square. Take it outside the root sign, and the distance between these 2 points will be 4 root 2 units. So this is the solution for second example. So let us solve third example. Find the distance between the 2 points 2, minus 4, minus 3, 2. Let us call these points as x1, y1, x2, y2 respectively. Write the formula: d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the values. Value of x2 minus 3 minus value of x1 2, so square root of minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus value of y2 is 2, 2 minus value of y1 is minus 4. So 2 minus of minus 4 whole square. Let us simplify this. That is equal to square root of minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5 whole square, plus 2 minus of minus will become plus. So 2 plus 4 will be 6 square. Further, on simplification, we get square root of minus 5u square 25u plus 6 square 36, and square root of 25u plus 36 is nothing but square root of 61. Hence the distance between these 2 points is square root of 61 units. Now coming to the last or fourth example, minus 2 11 7 minus 2. Let us call minus 2 as x1, 11 as y1, 7 as the x2, and minus 2 as y2. Write the formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the values. D is equal to square root of x2 is 7 minus x1 is minus 2, 7 minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is 11. So that is minus 2 minus 11 whole square. Now 7 minus of minus will become plus. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 square plus minus 2 minus 11 is minus 13, minus 13 whole square. So that is equal to square root of 9 square is 81 plus minus 13 square is 169. So 81 plus 169. This is equal to square root of the sum total of 81 and 169 will be 250. Now 250 is nothing but 25 into 10. 25 is a perfect square. Take it outside the root sign, you will be getting 5u. 5u root 10. This itself is the distance between these 2 points. Hence D is equal to 5u root 10 units is the solution for this example number 4. So you have seen 4 examples. Now on the basis of those 4 examples, I hope these 5 examples you can easily solve. These are the examples for homework. Find the distance between the following points. The first example is 5u 4 2 3. Second example is minus 3 5u 2 minus 3. Third is 7 6 minus 3 minus 4. Fourth is 10 minus 5u minus 2 4, and that of fifth example is minus 7 minus 6 and 2 and 4. So I hope you can easily solve these 5 examples looking towards the 4 examples which I have solved. So dear students, let us solve one more important example. So the example here is do the points 3 2 minus 2 minus 3 and 2 3 form a triangle. If so, name the type of triangle formed. So this is the example or question. Let us draw a triangle and call it as ABC, where the vertex A has points 3 2, vertex B has points minus 3 minus 2 minus 3, and vertex C has got the points 2 3. Now let us find the distance between AB, BC and CA separately. Okay, now AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is the formula. So here AB is equal to square root of x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 3, so minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is minus 3 minus y1 is 2, so minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Let us simplify this. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5u square plus minus 3 minus 2 will be again minus 5u square. Minus 5u square is 25u plus minus 5u square is again 25u. 25u plus 25u will be 50. So square root of 50 is nothing but approximately the value is 7.07 units. So 7.07 units or square root of 50 is the distance between the 2 points AB. So in the same way, let us find the distance between the points B and C, and also distance between the points C and A. Now BC is equal to square root of x2 is 2, 2 minus x1 is minus 2, so 2 minus of minus 2 whole square, plus now here y2 is 3 minus y1 is minus 3, so 3 minus of minus 3 whole square. In the next step, minus of minus will become plus 2 will be 4 square, plus in the same way minus of minus will be plus 3 plus 3 will be 6 square. So that is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 6 square is 36. So the sum total of 16 and 36 will be 52. Square root of 52's approximate value is 7.21 units. So in this way, the length of BC, or in other words, the distance between the 2 points B and C, whose coordinates are minus 3 and 2 and 3, is root 52 or 7.21 units. So in the same way, CA, the length of CA or the distance between the points C and A is nothing but square root of 3 will be x2 and 2 will be x1. So 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 will be y2 and 3 will be y1. 2 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 2 will be 1 square, plus 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 square. 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is also 1 plus 1 will be 2. So square root of 2 or its approximate value 1.41 units is the distance between the 2 points CA, or in other words, it will be the length of the third side of the triangle CA. Now if you add any of the two sides, the sum total of any of the two sides length will be greater than that of the third side, and this is the criteria. If in a triangle the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, then that triangle or those 3 points will definitely form a triangle. So in this way, the sum of any two distances is greater than the third side, therefore the points form a triangle. Now the type of the triangle is also asked here. If so, name the type of the triangle form. Now AB square plus CA square, AB is root 50 square plus CA is root 2 whole square. Root 50 square is 50 plus root 2 square is 2. 50 plus 2 will be 52. Call this as number 1. Now find the square of the remaining third side, that is BC. BC square is, the value of BC is root 52. Root 52 square is nothing but 52. Call this as number 2. If you look at the results, number 1 and number 2, they are equal, and according to the converse of Pythagoras theorem, in a triangle, if the squares of the sum of two sides is equal to the square of the third side, then obviously the triangle must be a right angle triangle. So in this way, since AB square plus CA square is equal to BC square, therefore the triangle is a right angle triangle. So dear students, this is very important example to the point of view of your examination. You practice it. So this is the solution for this particular example.